This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can perform the remote controller calibration on this device. So at the start, launch the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, go into settings by tapping at those three horizontal dots, and here select the third category, that is remote controller preferences. Next, go into remote controller calibration. Before we can do that, we will need to switch off the aircraft, so find the power button at its battery, and then press it once, and then press and hold it for a few seconds to power off the drone. Now, go into remote controller calibration. Once you are ready to begin, press the calibrate button, and you can then press start. So, the calibration needs you to check the full range of motion of both stick controls and the dials. So start by moving the left stick through its all range of motion, so top, right, and so on, like that, for a few times. Then repeat this procedure for the right joystick as well. To do that, I don't know, maybe 5 times for good measure. Then also move the dials, both left and right ones, for the full range of their motion here. So just like that, or actually you just need to move the left dial, my bad. There is no need to calibrate the right one. And once the done button becomes available, that means that the calibration is done, and you can finish it just by pressing the done button and power on your aircraft. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.